guys, and welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I'm back with my updated makeup routine. Why do I say updated? Because we have to wear masks now. So basically I only make up this part of my face, like only the first half of my face. So let's get into this video. Okay guys, first things first, primer. I use the Wet n Wild primer, matte, I don't know what that means, but I only prime the first half. Let me just show you guys. I only prime the first half of my face, like literally the eyes, the forehead up until here, just up until under the eyes. That's what I basically do, because the mask takes off your foundation. It's just basically you wasting your makeup, and let's be honest, makeup is expensive, so I don't have time to waste. So I basically only make up this part of my face, because your mask is supposed to be on your face constantly. The only time I take my mask off when I'm out is either when you're eating or drinking. That's it. Otherwise you're not supposed to take your mask off, so I don't see why we need to wear more lipstick and all of those things. So next up, concealer. I'm rolling the concealer up because my concealer has been with me for almost 10 years and it's running up. So basically I only add a little concealer on the eyes because pigmentation, and then I will take a small dot on that pimples over there. And also guys, my main reason, the reason why I don't want to wear a full face of makeup, because you are already sweating. Or let me rather speak while I'm doing this. You're already sweating under this mask. Now the fact, if I wear a full face of makeup, with the makeup on your face, with that mask, with that sweat, that's the reason why my face is even worse now, because of the mask with the makeup on. So I decided, it depends, like when I am at college and they are very strict at college, they want you to wear full face, then if I'm forced to, then I will, then I don't have a choice. But then the first thing I do when I come at home, obviously wash your hands and do whatever you need to do, but then I will make sure I remove my makeup immediately, either with makeup wipes or with whatever you use, and then I will make sure that I wash my face, like my nighttime routine. So basically that's all I do. Put the concealer on the eyes because my eyes is very dark. Then foundation. I use the Wet n Wild foundation, and I do this. This is what I do. I don't have time to waste. One small dot, doop, 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 and a dot maybe there, and a dot there. That's it. That is literally it. I think I can do this while looking in my camera. So guys, then I will blend. I have that scar there since I was a child, because apparently the TV fell on my face. A TV fell on my face. So let's blend. Okay guys, next up I have this blush. It's supposed to be blush, but I put it on my eyes also. It's like a light shimmery pink. I don't know if you guys can see properly. Then this is like literally what I do. I just add it on here, then it gives off like a nice soft pink, and then a little bit of shine also, because it's like small crystal stuff in. It gives it off that shiny effect, which I love. That's all I do. This side, the same thing. Like I will just dab my brush in one, two, and then I will add this on there. Let's double check in the mirror. Like, yeah, it's a pity you guys can't see properly, but that's all. Then I will add eye pencil. Then I will curl my lashes with my nail curler. Then I will add, let's first add this eye. So guys, I will just add like a light eyeliner on my bottom lids. That's it. and my eye pencil is from Avon, which is not very good because I need to touch it up during the day. That's why I will only take this little bit of makeup that I use. I will only take that with me just to touch up my eyes as the day go on. Then I bought this eyelash curler by Clicks. It was 80 rand. I think it was 80 rand. And I told myself I'm going to invest in a proper eyelash curler because the other one almost took my whole skin off, the cheap one. So basically I will just curl my lashes. I think I'm gonna try to zoom in. Oh my god, there is foundation on my lashes. Let's zoom in maybe with this one also. This thing really changes your life. Look, just look at that difference. Oh god. Then obviously my cheap mascara. My mascara was probably 12 rand and my concealer was 10 rand at the time. So why should I spend 100 rand on a mascara, 200 rand on a mascara, but this mascara lasts me for like literally for 6 to 8 hours. Like this mascara will stay on. That's how quiet it is. Look at that. Oh my god. I will add a little on my bottom. Maybe I can zoom in a little here also. So yeah guys, that's the reason why my face is bad. It's like my acne is getting worse and worse and worse, and I honestly do not know the main reason behind it. I don't know if it's something that I'm eating or because I clean my stomach and my blood and stuff on a regular basis, because I just recovered from a freaking, oh my word, from a painful boil that I literally had to go and drain at the doctor, and I almost died, and I was for almost 3 weeks at home because of that boil. So I don't have a choice to clean myself and to detox and all those things. So I don't understand where. I just don't understand. So guys, that's it. Let me just check. That is my makeup routine. Then let's try another mask. I will put on a mask. And look at that. Sometimes I will add a small little foundation just here, and then I will literally just dab it like this, just for the pimples. But if you guys skin is okay and doesn't need it, you don't need to do that. That's it. That is my makeup routine. Oh my goodness, can you see? People won't know that you only half of your face is done, because you're not supposed to take off your mask. So the only time I will remove my mask is when I'm eating and drinking. That's it. When you're in the bus, when you're in the taxi, when you're in the aeroplane, wherever you go, you need to have your mask on. So basically that is my updated makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm supposed to do this in the intro but I forgot. But anyway, my name is Kaylee, and my videos is all about beauty, fashion and hair, and I also do some challenges on my channel. So for all the newcomers, thank you so much for all the support, and all my old viewers, thank you for being here every week. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for all the support. And also don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms. You guys know already, Instagram, you know. Please follow me on all my social media platforms, and stay tuned for the next one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, comment and share this video. Until next time.